ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। गीताभ्यासे 14-21 कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणान् एतान्। अर्जुन उवाच। पदच्छेदे अर्जुनः उवाच कैर्लिङ्गैः स्त्रीन् गुणान् एतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो। पदच्छेदे कैः लिङ्गैः त्रीन् गुणान् एतान् अतीतः भवति प्रभो। किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् स्त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते। पदच्छेदे किम् आचारः कथं च एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते। वाक्यांशः विशेषण अनुक्रमाङ्कः। I have the column here. अनुक्रमाङ्कः कर्तृपदीयः, कर्मपदीयाः, अन्ये सुबन्ताः, विधेयाः, अव्ययानि, कृदन्ताः, तिङन्ताः। अर्जुनः उवाच प्रभो एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतीतः कैः लिङ्गैः भवति। The phrase to a etan trin gunan atitah is subject of bhavati in to be. Kimacharaha etan trin gunan katham cha ativartate. Anvayashah shabdabhyas. Arjunaha uvacha. Arjunaha Arjuna visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama ekvachanam. Arjuna adjective visheshanam, correct. Arja unan nilukcha. Arjuna, Arjuni, feminine, white, clear, bright, of the color of the day. Ahascha Krishna Mahar Arjunancha. Oh, Ahascha Krishna Maharash Har Arjunancha. This is from Rigveda 6.9.1. What? Vishangamam Jiyu Jiyujam Arjunam Yujana Shavim. Kirata Arjuna. Silvery Yatrava Prenkha Harita Arjuna. Arjuna, the white color, a peacock, a sort of cutaneous disease. A tree, Marathi Arjun Sadada, with useful wind. Name of the third Pandava, who was a son of Kunti by Indra, and hence called Aindri also. Arjuna was so called because he was white or pure in actions. Prithvivyam chitarantayam varno me durlabhas samah karomi karma shuddhancha tena ma arjanam viduhu. He was taught the use of arms by Drona and was his favorite pupil. By his skill in arms, he won Draupadi at her Swayamvaram. See Draupadi. For an involuntary transgression, he went into temporary exile, and during that time he learned the science of arms from Parshurama. He married Ulupi, a Naga princess, by whom he had a son named Iravat, and also Chitrangada, the daughter of the king of Manipuram, who bore him a son named Babhruvahan. During this exile, he visited Dwarka, and with the help and advice of Krishna, succeeded in marrying Subhadra. By her, he had a son named Abhimanyu. Afterwards, he obtained the bow Gandiva from the god Agni, whom he assisted in burning the Khandava forest. When Dharma, his eldest brother, lost the kingdom by gambling, and the 5 brothers went into exile, he went to the Himalayas to propitiate the gods and to obtain from them celestial weapons for use in the contemplated war against Kaurava. There he fought with Shiva, who appeared in the disguise of a Kirata. But when he discovered the true character of his adversary, he worshipped him, and Shiva gave him the Pashupatastra. Indraha, Varunaha, Yamaha, and Kuberaha also presented him with their own weapons. In the 13th year of their exile, the Pandavas entered into service of the king of Virata, and he had to act the part of a eunuch and music and dancing master. In the great war with the Kauravas, Arjuna took a very distinguished part. He secured the assistance of Krishna, who acted as a charioteer, and related to him the Bhagavad Gita. When, on the first day of the battle, he hesitated to bend his bow against his own kinsmen. In the course of the great struggle, he slew or vanquished several redoubtable warriors on the side of the Kauravas, such as Jayadratha, Bhishma, Karna. After Yudhishthira had been installed sovereign of Hastinapuram, he resolved to perform the Ashwamedha sacrifice, and a horse was let loose with Arjuna as its guardian. Arjuna followed it through many cities and countries and fought with many kings. At the city of Manipuram, he had to fight with his own son Babruvahana and was killed, but he was restored to life by a charm supplied by his wife Ulupi. He traversed the whole of Bharatakhanda and returned to Hastinapuram loaded with spoils and tributes, and the great horse sacrifice was then duly performed. He was afterwards called by Krishna to Dwarka amid the internecine struggles of the Yadavas, and there he performed the funeral ceremonies of Vasudeva and Krishna. Soon after this, the five Pandavas repaired to heaven, having installed Parikshit, the only surviving son of Abhimanyu, on the throne of Hastinapuram. Arjuna was the bravest of the Pandavas, high-minded, generous, upright, handsome, and the most prominent figure of all his brothers. He has several appellations such as Partha, Gudakesha, Savyasachi, Dhananjaya, Phalguna, Kiritin, Jishnu, Shvetavahana, Gandivi, like that. See, Arjuna, Phalguno, Jishnu, Kiriti, Shvetavahana, Bibhatsur Vijaya Krishna, Savyasachi, Dhananjaya. That much about Arjuna. Uvacha, Vach dhatoho liti, प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम. वच, वचंग, परिभाषणे, टू स्पीक, टू टेल, टू टॉक. अदादि द्वितीय गणीयः परस्मैपदी द्विकर्मकः अनिट्. प्रभो एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतीतः कैः लिङ्गैः भवति. प्रभो, प्रभु, लॉर्ड, मास्टर, विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं संबोधनम् एकवचनम्. एतान्, एतत् सर्वनामो. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनम्. त्रीन्, थ्री संख्यावाचकं विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनम्. गुणान्, गुण, क्वालिटी, पुल्लिङ्गं द्वितीया बहुवचनम्. अतीतः, अति प्लस इ धातोः क्तविशेषणम् अतीत, ट्रांसेंडेड. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा एकवचनम्. कैः, किं, व्हिच सर्वनाम. अत्र नपुंसकलिङ्गं तृतीया बहुवचनं. लिङ्गैः, लिङ्ग नपुंसकलिङ्गं तृतीया बहुवचनं. लिङ्गं, लिङ्ग अच्, a mark, sign, token, an emblem, a badge, symbol, distinguishing mark, characteristic. यदि पार्थिव लिंगधारिणौ, यति पार्थिव लिंगधारिणौ हो, अथवा प्रावृषेण्यैव न्यैरेव लिंगैर्मम राजोपचारः सम्प्रति. This may be from Veni Samhara. Munirdohada लिंगदर्शी भवति भू धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषाय एकवचनं भू सत्तायां टू एग्जिस्ट टू बिकम टू बी टू हैपन भुवादिः प्रथमगणीयः परस्मैपदी अकर्मकः सेट् किमाचारः कथं च एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते किमाचारः किमाचार पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनं कः आचारः इति किमाचारः प्रथमा तत्पुरुषः I have detailed this little differently under the notes. कहा किम सर्वनाम अत्र पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम आचारः आचार कॉन्डक्ट पुल्लिंगम प्रथमा एकवचनम कथम अव्ययम हाउ च अव्ययम एंड अतिवर्तते अतिवृत धातोः लटि प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनम अतिवृत प्रथमगणीयः आत्मनेपदी परस्मैपदी in epic poetry. Oh, to pass over or by, cross as a place like that. Upasate purusham ye yakamaste shukramate shukrametat ativartanti. Ativartanti dhiraha. Mundukopnisha. To go beyond all these different meanings, but I am coming to overcome, subdue, vanquish, get the better of, get over, escape, or get loose from. Asadhya nativartante prameha rajanim yatha. This is from Sushruta Samhita. And Imacharak Kathanchaitan Strin Gunan Ativartate Bhagavad Gita 14-21. Same shloka has been quoted. So, the relevant meaning is transcend these three qualities. Anvayartha, overall meaning. Arjuna uvacha. Arjuna asked, Prabho, my lord, etan trin gunan atitaha kahi lingai bhavati. By what science can he who has transcended the qualities be recognized? Kim acharaha? How does he act? Katham cha etan trin gunan ativartate? How does he live beyond them? Chando Vishleshana. Kai lingai strin gunat etan अष्टक्षाणि गुणाने एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे अतीतो भवति प्रभो अष्टक्षाणि भवति प्र एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् अष्टक्षाणि कथञ्चै एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते अष्टक्षाणि तिवर्त एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका अस्मिन् चतुर्दशाध्याये एकविंशतितमे श्लोके अनुष्ठुप् छन्दः स्वाध्यायः notes of self study. The grammar of the word kimachara is somewhat intriguing. Basically, I am taking it as a compound word comprised of the two components kim plus achara. Kimachara has prathama vibhakti. There is the other subject phrase etan trin gunan atitaha, which also has prathama vibhakti. Looks like one can consider three sentences with this subject phrase, namely, etan trin gunanatitaha kaihi lingaihi bhavati, etan trin gunanatitaha kimacharaha bhavati, etan trin gunanatitaha katham cha etan trin gunan ativartate. By the paraphrasing as per 02, etan trin gunanatitaha kimacharaha bhavati. I have taken bhavati as an implicit intransitive akarmakam kriyapadam, by which kimachara would fit in as its complement vidheyam. Even so, kimachara merits to be adjectival of the subject phrase etan trin gunan atitaha. To be adjectival, it has to be deciphered with a bahubrihi vigraha, that is, kaha acharaha asya kimachara. That is, kena acharena ayam kimachara. Katham acharati ayam kimachara. Actually, etan trin gunan atitaha is more a manovritti, a mental aptitude to be cultivated, than acharaha as a physical aptitude. The word ativartate also has vrittihi. The cultivated manovritti would reflect in one's acharaha also. As such, our behavior has the three facets: vicharaha, thought; ucharaha, word; acharaha, deed. Maybe we can take the three sentences 01, 02, 03. एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतीतः कैः लिङ्गैः भवति? एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतीतः किमाचारः भवति? एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतीतः कथं च एतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते? These can be taken to be bringing out these three facets. Of course, Trin Guna Atita has to be thorough. So with all the three facets. This study is complete with Padachhedaha, Vakyamshasha Visheshanam, Shabdabhyasaha, Chando Visheshanam, Anvayarthaha, and notes of substitution. The text can be read and downloaded from my blog post, to which links are given in the description box. Shubhamastu.